Want to know how I went from this to having the dreamiest cat eye nails without spending a bomb at the salon? Let me show you. I know how expensive it can get to have your nails done every month. So I found a budget-friendly alternative. I found this store, shared my idea with them, and they recreated the exact same thing for me, even better I guess. They also shared instructions on how to apply the nails along with the necessary tools. The first step is to gently push back on the cuticles with the included wooden stick. Then I had to file my natural nails and buff on the nail bed to remove any shine there may be present. Once this was done, I cleaned my nails with the included alcohol wipes, and now I'm ready to stick the press-on nails. I picked the nail glue because I wanted a stronger hold, but you can totally go with the sticky tabs if you want something temporary. I started with my pinky finger, added a little glue, pressed the nail down for about 15 to 20 seconds, and that's it. It stuck very easily. Then I just repeated the same thing for all my nails, and honestly, it was so easy and satisfying. I know we often think that press-ons look unnatural, but the best part about these was since I shared my nail sizes with the store, they fit me perfectly and they didn't look fake at all. Lastly, I used the cuticle oil to hydrate my nails, and that's it. Bonus part, I also tested out the durability of these nails and they did not budge at all. And here's the final result. I'm honestly in love. These are the most gorgeous nails I've ever had in my entire life. They are reusable and I can't wait to style them with so many of my outfits. Look at that shine. I can't stop flaunting. Comment down for links.